Hello guys, welcome to Dreamway FS Academy. In this academy we make things very simple and we make things very brief and simple, and we'll talk about institutional order flow and order block strategy. It's very easy, it's not difficult. Even as a novice you can become a professional. You'll be trading like the bank and institution. So please, first and foremost, like and subscribe to the channel, because we'll be dropping more updates about order block for you. We'll train you to become a trader, an institutional trader, and ensure that you drop a comment on the comment section. I'll always be available to attend to you. So this video is going to be very brief, it's not going to be long. We're just going to be able to identify an order block. You have been hearing order block, order block, order block. So we'll be talking about order block. How do you identify an order block? So in the subsequent video, talking about market structure, imbalance in the market, and so on and so forth. So first and foremost, let's talk about what an order block is. We said an order block is the last opposite candle that causes an aggressive move to the upside, or the last opposite candle that causes an aggressive move to the downside. So let's talk about something like this. So let's say we have this market was going up like this, going up like this, going up like this, going up like this. Then along the way you now have something like this. This is another block, because there was a lot of sell orders that was placed on this candle. That was what causes this big move, this massive drop. So you can see it totally engulfed this candle. So how do you know that it is an order block? You can see it totally engulfed this candle. It's a full candle. It totally closed this candle. So this is an order block. So what you do, you just come here and you do something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. In the future, market will still come back. Market will come back and respect this place. This area, this box you see here, is called our area of interest. This box is here is not called our order block. This is our order block, the last opposite candle that causes this massive move to the downside, that causes a break of market structure. So this box you see here is called our area of concentration. This is our area of concentration. So this is our area, our point of interest, So this area we are concentrated on. So in the future, market will come back and tap into our point of interest. So this is a massive downward move, breaking structures. We'll talk about structures in our upcoming videos. So in the future, market will come back to our point of interest, our area of concentration, our point of interest, and tap to mitigate the order block. It's very easy. So let's assume that we have something like this. Let's assume we have something like this, Market was rallying up. Along the way we'll now have something like this. Now have something like this. Now have something like this. A minute. Along the way we'll now have something like this. This is our order block, because there was a lot of this is our order block, because there was a lot of sell entries that was placed here. So let me give you an example of a buy order block, a bullish order block rather. So let's say this market was actually coming down, coming down, then along the way we now see something like this. This becomes our order block, because there was a lot of buy orders that was placed on this last candle, this last bearish candle that was placed on this last bearish candle. That's what caused about this massive move to the upside. And if you notice, it broke this structure. So this becomes our area of point of interest, or area of concentration, or our point of interest. This is our point of interest. So in the future, market will come back to test that OB. First and foremost, how do you know an order block is valid? It must break structure. That's how you know an order block is valid. It must break structure. It must be a full body candle. You can see it totally engulfed this candle. So other blocks can have support and resistance. So this place can be a support. You can call it a support. So it will hold the market for breaking downward. And once another block breaks market structure, there's every tendency that it's going to be strong, and it must be an engulfed candle, a long engulfing candle. It must engulf the previous candle, which is very easy. So let's go to the chart so that we'll be able to spot another block. Let's go to the chart and see. So let's go to the chart and see. Let's see if we're able to spot another block. You can see here. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. I see something like this. I see this aggressive move to the upside, breaking structure. So this is our OB. This is our order block. This is our bullish order block. This is the last opposite candle that causes this aggressive move to the upside. So this is our bullish order block. You can see. Let me show you well. Let's show you see it well. Like I told you, that it must be a full-fledged candle. Let me show you see it well. It must be a full-fledged candle. A minute, please. It must be a full-fledged candle. You can see it here. Also, this long move to the upside, the market came back to mitigate the OB. So let's look for other ones. This is another block. I call this another block. A bearish order block. You can call this a bearish order block. And see, let's see in the future what happens when market comes to test that place. and see when market comes to test that place in the future. It will drop once market comes to test it in the future. Okay, market has not actually gotten to that point yet. Market has not actually gotten to that point yet. Sorry, a minute. Market has not actually gotten to that point yet. So it's very easy to spot. Let's go again. Let's go. Let's see. Let's check our 4 hours time frame. You can see this move up. This is another block. But later we'll be talking about step OBs. This is step OB, but it's another block. You can see this massive move up, breaking this structure. Market came back and mitigated it. You can see it. Massive move up, market came back and mitigated it. This is an order block, but it's a step OB. We'll be talking about that later. Let's look for more order blocks. You can see here, this is another block. Another thing you need to note, in a downtrend, if you are in a downtrend, we look for bearish order blocks. If you're in an uptrend, we look for bullish order blocks. So we'll be talking about that in our subsequent class. So let's go to our daily time frame and see if we can get order blocks. Okay. Yes, this is another order block. This is a bearish order block. You can see, very easy. Market just came back and mitigated it, and you can see this long drop down, breaking structure. So this is another order block. You can see how market tapped into it and moved up. You can see how market tapped into it and moved up. And if you notice something very well, there was a break of market structure. I will be talking about market structure in our next class. See, there was a break of market structure. You can see there was a break of market structure here. That's how you know that this is an order block. And you can see this is a full-fledged candle. It engulfed the previous candle, so it has also broken another structure again. So market must come back, like we said, must come back to test that order block, and this is our point of interest. You just draw your point of interest. So it's very easy, it's not difficult. You can spot your own order blocks in your charts. So thank you for watching. Wait for our next video. We'll be talking about market structures. Have a lovely day. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you and have a lovely day.